So we need to find the derivative of sine inverse of x raised to the power of 4 whole raised to the power of 4. So let us begin by assuming sine inverse of x raised to the power of 4. Let this be a variable u. So that means our derivative now becomes ddx of u raised to the power of 4. Now what we can do here, we can apply the power rule. So we know that power rule is if we have ddx of x raised to the power of n, so that's simply n times x raised to the power of n minus 1. So this will give us 4 times u raised to the power of 4 minus 1. Now we need to apply the chain rule. So that means we will take the derivative of u with respect to x. So this is simply 4u cubed, the derivative of u with respect to x. So we have ddx of, so u here is sine inverse of x raised to the power of 4. Now let's make an assumption here. So let's say x raised to the power of 4. Let this be the variable v. Derivative then becomes ddx of sine inverse of v. Right, so what we've done, we replace x raised to the power of 4 with v. We have ddx of sine inverse of x. So here we have 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared. So we get 1 divided by square root of 1 minus v squared times, we have to again differentiate with respect to x by applying the chain rule. So finally we have v. So v here is x raised to the power of 4. So we'll replace v with x raised to the power of 4. And here we can apply the power rule. So this will give us 4x cubed. So we had 4 times u cubed. We had du over dx. So du over dx is square root 1 over square root of 1 minus v squared times 4x cubed. Now we'll substitute the value. So u, we assume that u is sine inverse of x raised to the power of 4. So we have 4 times sine inverse of x raised to the power of 4 whole cube, that takes care of the u, divided by square root of 1 minus v squared. We assumed that v is equals to x raised to the power of 4. So this is x raised to the power of 4 whole squared. So that will be x raised to the power of 8 times 4x cubed. So let's combine all of them, and this should give us 16x cubed times sine inverse of x raised to the power of 4 whole raised to the power of 3 divided by square root of 1 minus x raised to the power of 8. So this is the final answer.